Entrant, Terraforce. Project name, Cavalli Wine and Stud Farm. Owner Occupier, Cavalli Wine and Stud Farm. Architect, Bouwer Architects. Main contractor, Kirsten Horticulture International Pty Limited. Subcontractor, Mellish Paving. Precast manufacturer, Mobicast. Cavalli Wine and Stud Farm was inspired by a family's love of saddle horses, but also a passion for providing fresh energy, work opportunities, and inspiration to current and future staff, as well as the neighboring communities. Alongside this passion, runs a remarkable commitment to sustainability. All architecture and design is driven by a dedicated initiative to be sustainable, and to establish a benchmark for environmental and energy efficiency. Cavalli, while retaining an agricultural component, still endeavors to rehabilitate the ecology of the land, to promote biodiversity in the Stellenbosch region. As part of this commitment to these conservational principles, it was decided by the owners to install permeable Terracrete hard lawn pavers, designed by Terraforce, between the paddocks to handle stormwater runoff, and add a park-like or pastoral feel to areas normally needing hard, impermeable paving, or tar. Says John Mellish of Mellish Paving, because the construction of impermeable barriers on the surface reduced the rate of groundwater replenishment, permeable hard lawn pavers were installed between the paddocks to return stormwater back to the ground, and to prevent the grass becoming a mud bath at each gate. In this case, the pavers are placed on 150 mm layer of subbase, with core drains at strategic locations. Topsoil in the Terracrete blocks allows for easy establishment of grasses and plants. This, and a commitment to planting thousands of species, which will attract and feed more wildlife species endemic to the Cape region and Floral Kingdom, make Cavalli a leading example of an estate willing to contribute to a sustained future of the botanic biosphere of the area.